My tennis coach's car was an old, beat-up 2007 Honda Accord. I detail cars, so I told her I would clean it up for her. But the plan was to surprise her with a complete restoration. Then the mechanic called. It was going to cost $5,000 just to fix the mechanical issues. That didn't even include all the cosmetic things I wanted to do on it. And this was a car that was worth maybe $2,000. So what do? Do you start over? Do you walk away? I chose to fix it. And 8 months later, you'll see if we made the right decision.
Many months later.
This isn't just a car story, it's about Lana. She was one of the best junior tennis players in Croatia. She came to the US to play Division I tennis. She has 1 master's degree and she's working on her 2nd. She teaches tennis 6 days a week and studies at night. She's doing so many things right. But 2 things were working against her. The first was a 15% student loan with a monthly payment of over $500. The second was her car. It had a lot of problems. The check engine light was always on. She never really knew if it was going to start or not.
All right, Helen, be good today, please. All right, one more time. Come on, come on. Okay.
A car payment was not in her budget, so I wanted to help. Since I detail cars, I convinced her to give us her car to let us clean it. But the plan was to fix all the mechanical problems and to make it really nice using all of my detailing techniques. When I got the car, the first thing I did was take it to the mechanic. The next day is when I got that call that it was going to cost $5,000 to fix all of the mechanical issues. Most people would say, walk away, just start over. But here's what nobody talks about. That 2007 Honda Accord engine, it's one of the best ones ever made. It can easily get 300,000 miles on it. Now it became a challenge. Can I make this car a car that Lana can trust and enjoy? I told the mechanic, make all the repairs, and I started making plans for all the improvements that I wanted to do. My plan was to focus on 3 priorities. Make it safe and reliable, make it a car she could be proud of, and make it a car that she would actually enjoy driving. The stress of Lana never knowing if her car would start or not, that had to be fixed. So we had the mechanic put in a new ignition and it totally fixed the starting problems.
Are you sure it's gonna turn?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she turns on.
A new power steering rack was put in to fix the turning problems, and the air conditioning was reconditioned so it would actually blow cold air. That car was brutal at the end of a hot summer day.
Did you notice that?
Was it
Were you getting hot?
Oh my God, when I would sit in pilot, like after leaving the car out here, I was like, I'm not dying. I'm literally not dying. I would have to open the door.
Feel this air.
We gave her headlights she could trust by making them super clear.
All right, I love this. Helen got cataract surgery because she couldn't see very good because these were all cloudy.
Okay.
And so we fixed those up where you can see now on those.
We added a backup camera so backing up would no longer be an adventure.
And then put it in reverse. I'm not going to back into anything anymore.
No, I won't.
We had 4 new tires put on the car, and that was needed to replace the ones that were bald.
So we have new front tires, so you keep you safe.
Were they bad?
They weren't great.
Okay.
Our next challenge, make it a car she wouldn't be embarrassed to be in. We started by fixing all the body damage, which was pretty extensive. We got a new bumper, a new hood, and a new rear taillight cover.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh my God, look. She looks different.
She's happy.
Oh my God.
We got the entire car painted. Man, did that make a huge difference. We put a leather wrap on the steering wheel and recovered the center console with new leather.
How's the steering wheel?
Oh my God. Yeah, hold on. I can see everything.
Look at this.
You changed that too?
Oh yeah. I mean, you can't be putting your elbow on that nasty thing that was there.
We did all this so Lana could have a car that she could really be proud of. Then the really fun category, make this a car that Lana could enjoy in ways that she didn't even think were possible. We started by installing a new radio with wireless touchscreen CarPlay so that her phone would automatically connect to the screen and speakers. We gave her new leather seat covers to make it feel like she had brand new seats.
What did you do with the seats?
I don't know what happened. Is this not how they were?
No, that's not how they were.
Are you sure?
Oh my god. Roger, what did you do?
We gave you leather seats. Sit in and see how it feels.
I'm shaking.
We put in all-season floor mats to make it super easy to keep it clean. And finally, we did a really deep clean. We used a wet vac, we took the seats out, we got out all the dirt and grime. There's just something super nice about getting into a really clean car at the end of a long day. It just adds calm to your life. So what happened 8 months later? Nothing dramatic at all. And isn't that the point? The car just worked, and she drove a lot. She actually made 2 trips to Louisville and back. That's 1,000 miles round trip. Was it worth it to spend $7,000 on a car that was worth $2,000? Could we have just purchased something else for $7,000? Who knows? A lot of times you're just buying somebody else's problem. With this car, we knew what we had. We knew we could make it reliable. We knew we could give Lana a car that would have a lot more life that she would really enjoy. But let me tell you, when Lana sent me this text, that's when it all became worth it.
I've been trying to wrap my head around what you did, and I still can't find the words to explain how grateful I am. That took so much stress off my shoulders.
Lana's life didn't suddenly get easy. The loan is still there. School is demanding, work is still work, but one thing did get better. She could trust her car. Most of us live with something like that. Not a crisis, just a small, constant problem. We often think the answer is starting over, but sometimes the answer is fixing what you have.